and today we are going to be making easy slime. So let's get on to the video. So guys, we're going to need this, a bottle of Elmer's glue. Okay, so just add half of the glue. I'm doing all of it. Okay. So, Rylan, that's a lot. Can I have some? Because this one's here.
I'll try to
okay, so if you have all your glue, so this is how much glue you will have, you will need. So the next ingredient is going to be the food dye. We got that at Giant, so it's going to do 2 drops at a time.
Is that purple?
Yeah, this one's pink. Yeah, so you only have 2.
There.
Also, we're going to add shaving cream to make it really fluffy, because I like fluffy slime. So Rylan, we have it. Alright, that's enough. My finger.
Just eat it. Why not?
Here, just put it in your bowl.
Good.
Alright. Alright, Rylan, that's a lot.
This is what it should look like.
So now we're going to mix it.
It's going to be really fluffy.
Okay, so we just added more because we want it like darker. So
I'm still mixing.
So this is what it should look like when it's stirred up. Now it's time to activate the slime. So let's try.
Tell me when to stop.
If it's still sticky, then you add contact solution. That, like, how much you need. So now we're gonna do less than half a teaspoon of baking soda. That's all you need. In each one.
Now we're going to mix it with our hands.
And knead it.
Woo!
As much as possible.
I love making slime.
And then you should see it coming off your hands. Here's our finished product. So here's a recap what we used.
Baking soda,
We used contact solution.
baking soda,
We used shaving cream.
and we use glue.
And also this food coloring that's neon.
And then we used
Contact solution.
contact solution. And this is what we got. I did not know this one's gonna turn out like this. I think it was gonna turn out sticky. This was amazing. So
The key is to knead it and like.
who is the fastest poker?
Okay, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a look out for more of our amazing videos. Bye!